In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create music using Suno AI. Whether you're an experienced musician or just starting your musical journey, this platform offers innovative tools to help you craft the perfect track. First things first, you need to log into Suno AI. Make sure you have access to your account. If you don't have one, follow the on-screen instructions to create it. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard where all the magic begins. This is your creative space, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Now that you're logged in, it's time to start a new project. You'll see an option to create a new music project. Click on that and you'll be prompted to select your desired music style. Suno AI offers a variety of genres, from pop to classical and everything in between. Consider the mood or theme you want for your track. This choice sets the tone for the instruments and vocals that you'll use, so take your time and choose wisely from the available styles. Once your style is selected, you can dive into the fun part, using AI-generated instruments and vocals. The platform provides a diverse library of sounds to combine and layer as you like. Whether you prefer a strong guitar riff, mellow piano keys, or vibrant electronic beats, Suno AI has options covered. You can mix and match these elements until you find the harmonious blend that suits your vision. If you're stuck on inspiration, the software can suggest combinations based on your selected genre, which can be a great way to discover unique soundscapes. After choosing your instruments and vocals, it's essential to focus on the lyrical part of your composition. Here, you have two options. Use your original lyrics or opt for AI-generated content. If writing isn't your forte, let the AI assist you. It can generate unique, creative lyrics that fit your style and theme. Remember, originality is key, so ensure everything used is either your own creation or appropriately licensed through the AI. With your composition complete, it's time for the final step, exporting your music. Suno AI enables you to save your track with confirmation of its copyright-free status. This is crucial if you plan to distribute or publicly share your creation, ensuring you're on the right side of copyright laws. Check your settings and choose your preferred file format for export. Once you've double-checked everything, hit that export button and wait for your masterpiece to download. And there you have it.